new thing. Anyway, my name is Dave.
Aww.
Nice, isn't it? Now you see this. You might look it looks a little bit just a lucky place, but there we go. This is the only specialty. Now let me just load these. I might just pick special planes. Like this and this. Oh yeah, you can also see I have these same planes. Call them twins. Then we have this. Then we load this. And then I think I have a little card down here. Okay? Now thank you. Then we have this. And then for the final touch, we put this in here. You might know, but these actually, I got these for my grandma. It's not actually my real girl, but my thing. Let's go. This thing doesn't open. Now.
Oh.
Now we can try this. Hey, this doesn't work. Not more battle.
Oh.
Now, okay. End of this commercial. And then